Greetings and welcome to the introduction of effective course for lead auditing on ISO9001 2015 quality management system and ISO 14001 2015 environmental management system. Let me introduce myself. This is D. Srinivasa Rao. I'm an engineering graduate with MBA with over 20 years of industry experience and also 5 years in ISO standards in implementing and auditing. I'm a certified lead auditor and trainer on ISO 9001, 14001 as well as 45001. I did help many SMEs enterprise in implementing ISO and related documentation, internal and third party or external audits for ISO 9001 2015 as well as 14001 2015 since 2016. What we will learn out of the course contents in the next 5 lectures will be basic understanding of an organization, introduction on ISO 9001 2015, principles and classes, understanding PDCA process approach, risk-based thinking, planning, awareness on ISO 14001 and 2015 and its requirements, records and documentation and relevance, purpose and types of auditing, principles of auditing, audit process, audit checklist, audit reporting and corrective actions, and of course finally the follow-up on the corrective actions with conclusions. Why there is a need for effective auditing? In today's competitive market, many organizations want to achieve better customer satisfaction by exceeding expectations. It needs better planning, business excellence, and also to reduce the cost of defects in products produced by implementing ISO 9001 quality management system. That requires in fact defining a quality policy with objectives and to work towards continual improvement. In similar manner, many institutions want to implement out of the need for environmental management to contribute or to minimize global warming effect and hence climate changes, and also as per the local statutory or legal requirements to minimize on the carbon footprints and by adopting environmental policy and objectives under ISO 14001. In either case, there is a need for periodic auditing with corrective actions for continual improvement as under PDCA process. Advantage of this training course is getting to understand the concept and process of effective auditing for both ISO 9001 as well as 14001. Practical examples we have taken during the implementation in the lectures we have taken. Then contents designed out of experienced audits done by us, free reference material in PDF format available for download, and the learners can always be in touch only if any relevance topics to be clarified online. So thank you. For better complete knowledge with practical understanding, just join and watch the lectures on effective course for lead auditing on ISO 9001 2015 and ISO 14001 2015.